Namaste students. Today we are going to see Unit 1 Digital Documentation Creating and Drawing Images. For last 3 sessions we saw about how to create styles and how to create and use images in OpenOffice Writer. In this session we are going to see creating and drawing images. Let me move on to the lesson. Creating and drawing objects. How to create and drawing objects in this OpenOffice Writer. There is a toolbar is there, that is called what? Drawing toolbars. How to get this drawing toolbar? Go to View tab in the menu bar, then choose Toolbars, then choose the option Drawing. So once you go this option, you will be getting this drawing toolbar. So nearly 17 tools are there in this drawing toolbar. Number 1 is Select, 2 line, third one rectangle, fourth one ellipse, fifth one free from line, sixth one text, seventh callouts, eighth one basic shapes, ninth one symbol shapes, 10th one block arrows, 11th flowcharts, 12th callouts, 13th starts, 14th points, 15th font work gallery, 16th one from file. The last one is 17, that is extrusions. These are the tools which is available in the drawing toolbar, that is used for drawing the objects in your OpenOffice Writer. Using a drawing tool. So how to draw this object using this drawing tool? First you have to click on document where you want to draw. Then select the tool from the drawing toolbar. So once you click on the tools in the drawing toolbar, the mouse pointer is changes into the plus symbol, that is called drawing function pointer. I repeat, the plus symbol is called drawing function pointer, which means you have made a selections in your tools in the drawing toolbar. So now your mouse is ready to draw the object in the OpenOffice Writer. By using the pointer, simply click and drag in the mouse, you can draw any shapes. Okay, so move the cross hair pointer to the place document where you want the graphic to appear, then click and drag to create the drawing object. Then release the mouse button. What will happen? That a particular object will be drawn in the OpenOffice Writer. Then the plus symbols will be remains active because you are in a drawing mode now. You have to come back to cancel this selected drawing function. You have to press escape key. The escape key is a key which is used to cancel the selected drawing function pointer. So once you press escape, what happens? You will be come back to the normal mouse pointer, which means you will draw now. You are being in a normal mode. The next one. So after drawn your pictures or shapes in your document, you can change the properties. Property is changed. So once you draw any shape, for example say square, what you can do, you can shade the colors, you can change the borders, whatever thing you want to change by using this property. The property in the sense fill color, line type, width, height, anchoring, this can be done in the use of properties. Let me see how to change the features by using these properties. Set or change properties for drawing objects. So for this you have to go to again view toolbar, then drawing object properties. This is your drawing object properties toolbar. This is the toolbar which is used to changes can be made in your drawing objects. Okay, so select any object. Okay, then choose any of these tools. First one is called what? Arrow style. The first one is called a line style. The next one is arrow style. If you want to change a line, you can have to go this is like a pen nib. This icon is look like a pen nib. So click on this icon. This is icon name is line. If you want to change a line, you can click this. Once you click on this icon, you'll be getting this one dialog box name is area or line. Okay, the dialog box name is called area or line dialog box. Okay, so you can change the line color, line width, line style, everything can be changed by using this dialog box. Otherwise you can directly click these icons. The third icon is called line style. When you click on the small arrow in the line style, you will be getting a different styles of line is there. Whatever line you want to apply, you can give. The second one is width. If you want to change the width, the size of the breadthness of the line, you can change. Color, next one is line color. The sixth one is the area. So after the sixth is all about area. So is if you want to change the body of the object, you can change the color, filling. If you want to rotate the shape, you can do it to foreground, to background. Everything you can done by using this drawing object toolbar. Next one, to change the properties for an existing drawing object. First you have to select the object, then what I said, just continue. Then you can also specify the position and change or rotations or slant and corner radius properties of the drawing object. For that you have to right click on the object, you will be getting a pop-up menu. From that pop-up menu you have to choose the position and size from the pop-up menu. What will happen? You will be getting a position and size dialog box. You can choose any properties as you required. Then resizing can be done very easily. So as I said in the last session, how to resize an object. So when you click on the object, you will be getting a small green square, that is called corner handles, which is around your picture or object. That is boundaries of the object. You will be getting a small corner handles. By using these 8 handles, you can drag it to the new position. That is one of the way to change your size of your object. For you have to keep for resizing, for scaled resizing, you have to press shift key, then you can drag it. The position, the size of the picture will be changed, but the image will not be affected. That is called what? Scaled resizing. For this, another way, suppose if you want more sophisticated controls of the size of the object, you have to go to select, format, object, position and size from the menu bar. I repeat, format, go to format tab in the menu bar, then choose object option, then choose position and size from the menu bar. Then you will be getting what dialog box? Position and size dialog box. Then you can set the width and height differently, independently as what you require. Okay, the keep ratio option is selected, then the 2 dimensions changes so that the proportion is maintained, allowing for the scale resizings. Okay, then grouping drawing object. What is mean by grouping? For example, we are doing our online class in a WhatsApp group. What is the purpose of make this online group? If I send only single message that can be reached to all the people in 10th standard like this. So if I put a different number of objects into a one group, mean whatever properties I have changed, that will be applied to all the objects. That is the main purpose of using grouping. Okay, let me see how to make a group in this OpenOffice Writer. For that you have to select one object. Okay, suppose you have to insert or draw say 3 objects in the documents. Okay, so first you have to select out of 3, select any one object, then press the shift key in the keyboard, just hold the shift key, then select all 3 objects. What will happen? The selection will be expanded to all the 3 objects. Now you have selected all 3 objects. Okay, then right click on, there is 2 options to grouping. One method is right click on the any of the object, then we will be getting pop-up menu. In that you choose group, then again choose group. What happened? The 3 objects will be get into a single group. Another way is go to format, then object, then choose group option. I repeat, go to format menu in the menu bar, then choose a group, again group. This is another method for grouping the object. So what will happen? So all 3 objects in the group will be grouped together. So now we can make any correction that will be affect to all the 3 objects. Next one, positioning image or graphics within the text. So here we saw the first session, we saw about how to make a style, that is we can work only with the text. The next session we saw about how to create object. In this session we are seeing how to insert, how to draw objects. So we worked both on text and as well as graphic or images. So here how to position the image within the text we are going to see. In a single text, for example in your newspaper we are having both the picture as well as the text. So picture will be arranged in a separate way. Okay, so that is the alignment of the text and the picture. In this session we are going to see how to position the picture within the text. We are going to see now. The positioning of the graphic is controlled by 4 settings. The 4 settings are arrangement, alignment, anchoring, text wrapping. I repeat, the 4 settings are arrangement, alignment, anchoring, text wrapping. Arrangement, the sense, it will be, if I am having two pictures, it will be graphics are stacked. Stack means above to on each other. Okay, to relate to the next text. Okay, it's a refers to the placement of a graphic on an imaginary vertical axis. That is called what? Alignment. It is send it to you all worked in word in two option is there. Send to back, bring to front. This is the arrangement in the word. Here also we having same options in the arrangement. Alignment is nothing but vertical alignment or horizontal. Vertical means top, bottom. Horizontal means left, right. These are the alignments you can see, you can do in the graphic within the text. Next one, anchoring. Anchoring refers to reference point for the graphics. So where your graphics will be referred in this text document, that can be done by using the anchoring. Text wrapping. Text wrapping means we may have a relations of the graphics to the surrounding text. So we may have lot of text around of the graphics. So in which way we have to align the text? Wrapping the text along with the graphic is called what? Text wrapping. Let me see how to do this in our demo sessions. In this text wrappings, both the sides or be overprinted behind or in front of the graphic, or treat the graphic as a separate paragraph or characters. So how to setting this can be accessed in a number of way depending on the nature of the graphics. Okay, so the settings can be accessed in the number of ways. The first way is using by the pop-up menu. Okay, that is how to get this pop-up. Right click on the object, will be getting a number of options, say positioning and resizing. Position and sizing toolbar will be get. From that also you can change the alignment of the pictures. From the next way is from the object toolbar. What is object toolbar? You have to go to which menu? View menu, then choose the toolbar, then choose the OLE object toolbar. So you will be getting a 20 icons will be there in this toolbar. From this toolbar you can able to make the settings can be accessed. Okay, for to open the picture dialog box, this can be also done in images. For type and wrapping pages of the picture dialog box that we saw in the last sessions. Okay, so how to get this picture dialog box? Go to format picture, then you will be getting a picture dialog box. For text wrapping, you have to go to option is type and wrapping image to wrap the images in the document. Same thing we can also do in the drawing object. For this you have to go to what? Right click on the object, then choose the position and size. Then you will be getting a position and size dialog box. From that you can change the position of the objects. Then you have to go to other method is you have to go to format object position and resize. Then what will happen? Again you get in the position and size dialog box, then you can change. There is so many options are there. That is called what? Arrangements, anchor, text wrapping. The last one, alignment. These 4 options can be available in where? Position and size dialog box. How to get this position and size dialog box? Go to format, then choose the object option, then choose position and size. Will be getting a position and size dialog box. In this we have a number of tabs. So what are the tab? 4 settings are 2 resizing objects are alignment, arrangements, text wrapping, then anchoring. Okay, these all. So don't worry children, I will show everything in the demo sessions. So this is what graphical control of positioning for images. Nearly 20 tools are there. How to get this toolbar? Go to object, go to view tool, view options in the menu bar, then choose the toolbar, then you have to choose OLE object toolbar. So once you choose OLE object toolbar, you will be getting this toolbar in the text document. So how many tools are there? Nearly 20 tools are there. Next one, first one, apply style. Apply style is nothing but your apply style, formatting, styles and formatting window. No, but that is the icon. Next one, wrap up, page wrap, wrap through. These are the wrapping options available under the text wrapping. Next, align left, center horizontal, align right, top, center, bottom. These are the options available for the what? Alignment, border, line style, line color. These are the option tools for changing your line styles of the object. Next one, frame property, that is used only for frames. Next one, bring to front, send to back. This is the two options for what? For arrangements. The last one is link frames, unlink frame, that is for linking the document with the frames. These are the tools which is available in the object toolbar. Okay children, so in this session we saw about what? Creating and drawing objects. So I hope you all able to understand well. In the next session we can see in the some different topics. Thank you children.